This is how to remove the rivet. Basically, you drill to it and then remove the cover. These three wires are input voltage, and this goes to the USB devices. Check for snugness. If necessary, reattach. If this all look good, it's possible your cables have worn out. Order a new set of cables, and with or without the transformer itself. Contact us, CS, that's Charlie Sam at fixturedisplays.com for more options. This is how you reattach the rivet. Use a rivet gun, and that's how it's done. Most hardware stores sell rivets and rivet guns. Thank you.